Welcome! In this video, I would like to share the new functionality added to the Diagnostics Dashboard Utility to support Distributed Vault in VX 2.1. Before presenting the new functionality, I would like to remind you, if you're looking for the basics of the Diagnostic Dashboard Utility capabilities, you best watch first Diagnostic Dashboard video on the VX.2 playlist. Moreover, you can view the Diagnostic Triage Process video to learn more about the XDM Server Diagnostics. The links to these videos are shown on the description of this video. The Diagnostic Dashboard Utility is now expanded to support Distributed Vault. On the Diagnostic Dashboard Utility, you will now find a new Network tab. On the left, you get a list of all the XDM Server nodes that you configured earlier. Select a node from the list to review the diagnostic results of the node. The page presents information similar to those you get on the Dashboard tab of the Master XDM Server. However, since it is related to the nodes, you will not see widgets that are only relevant to the Master XDM Server, such as Backup and Restore and the Data Analyzer report. If the agent on the node is down, you will not be able to select the node since there is no communication with the node. Here are the widgets that are available for every node. The events provide a filtered list of the node's events. The uptime widgets provide the status and statistics about each one of the processes running on the node. The status widget provides the status of different XDM Server functionality, and it is expected on the node not to have the backup scheduler and the incremental backup scheduler turned on. Those should only appear on the Master XDM Server status. Under the XDM Active Server checks, you can see the Master XDM Server and port, among other Active Server Environment and Resources status. Last but not least is the log scanner. The functionality is similar to the one you're familiar with from the Master XDM Server dashboard. Yet the neat feature is that you can review the node's log files remotely. You can filter the logs by date and events. You can drill into the logs and investigate error messages. And you can download the log files from the node to the local host machine that you are working on. Furthermore, you can run the Troubleshooter utility also remotely, and it will scan the errors on the remote node, and it will suggest resolution and ways to fix known issues. What if you run into an issue and you cannot solve it by yourself? Providing the logs to somebody else, such as mentor support, is mandatory in order to help you out. If you need to collect all the logs, including those from the nodes, you can now do it by running Collect Logs from the menu, and here you will find these new options to also collect the logs from the nodes. The results is that you will now have a collection of all the logs, both from the Master XDM Server and the logs of the nodes, which can be escalated to mentor support for further investigation. We expanded the VX 2.1 functionality to support Distributed Vault. Therefore, we expanded the diagnostic capabilities of the XDM Server to support remote diagnostics of the nodes to be available on the master host machine using the Diagnostic Dashboard Utility. These also include the capability to collect and download the logs from the nodes to the master host machine.